So preventative maintenance really is self-explanatory. It's preventative, right? What that does is you may have a cost, a monthly cost, a quarterly cost, or an annual cost, but that's going to work out to be a lot cheaper than an emergency shutdown or emergency cost of bringing someone in after hours to clean out that line or clean that tank, get rid of that waste.
And not knowing if there's availability either.
Right. Obvious benefits of that preventative maintenance is a fixed schedule. You know we are going to be there on a specific day at a specific time to take care of that issue or that perceived issue. So on PM programs, one of the things we can do too is the reporting post cleaning, where we have the ability to take before pictures and after pictures. If it is a manhole or a vessel where that customer cannot do confined space entry, we're able to take that before picture, then give them that after picture. Really, I guess takes care of any questions they may have as far as how clean is it? Did it get cleaned? Can I sign off on this?
I think a lot of things revolving around PM is just building a relationship with the customer, offering the correct solutions for them, making sure that we're on time, making sure that we're communicating. So those are all the things of where I experience why people use us in those types of scenarios.
Right.